Good morning. I am Rajinder Jatana, your math teacher. Today I have come with 10 short tricks. The 4 tricks are pertaining to averages and 6 are pertaining to ratio and proportion. These are simple tricks. If you understand these tricks properly, then you can compete in your exams with flying colors. So let us start with the first trick. The first trick is, supposing you are asked to find the average of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this n can be 100, it can be 1000, it can be any number. So if you have to find the average of numbers starting from 1 to 100, it is very difficult to find out. So if you know the formula, it is very simple. Now the formula I'll be teaching you separately. It is but very simple. First term plus last term divided by 2. सपोजिंग आपको 1 से लेके 100 तक का 100 तक का एवरेज निकालना है. आंसर विल बी 1 plus 100 divided by 2. That is 101 by 2. The answer will be 50.5. So it is very simple. If you start doing manually, perhaps it may take more than 10 minutes, even more. So the formulas are basically the short tricks. But you have to understand them. You have not to mug up, you have to understand them. That is the main thing in mathematics. Now, supposing I ask you to find the average of numbers from 1 to 200, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to 200. So it is very difficult if you do it manually. And I am doing it manually with you. It is very simple otherwise. The formula is n plus 1 by 2. n यहाँ पे 200 है, तो 1 plus 200, 201 हो गया, divided by 2. 201 divided by 2 is 100.5. कुछ नहीं करना है, फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म को ऐड कर दो और 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. दैट इज द एवरेज. अगर आपको 1 से 100 तक को का एवरेज निकालना है तो 1 plus 100 divided by 2, दैट इज 50.5. आपको 1 से लेके 200 का एवरेज निकालना है, 1 plus 200 divided by 2, तो 201 by 2 means 100.5. So very simple. Similarly, there are formulas for finding the average of squares. Supposing if I ask you find the average of first 10 squares, 10 natural squares, natural number squares, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so on up to 10 square divided by 10 square. You have to find the average of this. No, manually it is very difficult. If we are going with the formula, it is very, very simple. That I will be taking on later on. I am just telling you that these average tricks, if you start doing manually, they are long procedures, and if you are applying the formulas, they are very simple. Same way I will be going with the tricks on ratio and proportion. Ratio, you know, when we say 2:3, it means 2/3. बटे का बटा होता है 4 divided by 5, that is 4:5. So ratio is a rational number. Now what about proportion? What is proportion? If you know it, very fine. Otherwise, I am telling you. Proportion is ratio equal to ratio. Supposing 2/3 is a ratio. अब डबल करो न्यूमरेटर का भी डिनोमिनेटर का. It becomes 4/6. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. It has become a proportion. When two ratios are equal, that is called proportion. Now we shall be going ahead with the simple formulas of ratio and proportion also. So that I'll be taking up separately. So keep watching my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay, bye. I'm going for the next video. I'll be teaching you on the papers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.